everybody, it's Cindy Bloom in sunny, yet it's actually in cold, but it's actually much warmer than it's been. In fact, as you can see, this is a school right near where I live, and this field is, snow's almost melting. You already see somebody out here with dogs running around. Anyway, I can't help coming out here and really talking about my family. So I know it's funny to you that this topic is what it is, and a lot of people want to know, like, Cindy D, you ever get hot flashes? Are you one of those people that get hot flashes? Well, I used to be one of those people, and I got hot flashes, and I would just get hot. I'd wake up in the middle of the night, and it was horrible. I would be sweating, and in the middle of the day, you'd just be out with somebody or having a conversation, and for no reason, your face gets really flushed, you feel crazy, and you just start sweating, and you're just it's just crazy. And unless you have experienced it, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But for those of you who do, that, oh my God, I was just with a friend. She was telling me that she has they have electric fans now that you can plug into the end of your iPhone so that it keeps you cool when you have those hot flashes, all sorts of devices. But I gotta tell you, I've been part of the Now We Know campaign, and I started wearing the panty liners for something completely different, which is the topic of another video, which you probably will be able to see a link at the end of the video for you to watch some more videos about this campaign. But the bottom line is I started wearing the panty liners, and the Cherish panty liners have a negative ion strip. And I heard that the negative ion strip did wonderful things and miraculous things, but I had no idea until after I was wearing them. I was like, oh my God, I'm not having hot flashes anymore. How crazy is that? And I did some research, and I realized that negative ions are like the vitamins of the air. They're that feeling you get when you go to the beach, or after a rainstorm. There's a lot of go out there and do your research, but I'm not the first one to tell you about negative ions. They've been around for a long time. There's bracelets and all sorts of things that people buy so they can get the effects of negative ions. So one of the effects that it had on me, now I can't make medical claims, of course, but literally I went from having hot flashes, I don't know, several times a day, more than I have fingers, let's just say, to having one to now barely any. And the only time that I ever get that little hot flashes, I'll be honest with you, is if I have a glass of wine or something, and I get that little bit of it. But I think that's normal. It's not a hot flash, it's just a wine flash. Anyway, if you're wanting to try the Cherish liners, literally they're the best thing. If you're around my age, you don't have a feminine flow, but the liners are great. They really make you feel fresh. I love them. My mom wears them. She loves them. There's 30 in a package, and the packages are just $5. So I just can't tell you. And they, for me, were the only thing that helped me with my hot flashes. So go to www.womenwecherish.com and check out the sanitary napkins there. But look for the liners, the green liners. Those are the ones. And if you like a longer pad, you can get the day pads and wear them as liners, because I have too on those longer days. But because some people want a longer liner. So if that's you, get the day pads. Anyway, I'm going back in the house, enjoying a little bit of sunshine, or doesn't look like it's sunny, but it is. I'm just kind of underneath. The sun's going down, so you can't see it. Anyways, but my dogs are barking. I'm going to go inside. Have a great day, and remember, if you don't know anything about the Now We Know campaign, click the links, subscribe to my channel. This is Cindy Bloom, and I'll see you in another video, or connect with me on Facebook.